When I open my database, I find a list of ingredients already inserted. It's very important that the first line in red is never modified. All the rest can be changed. For example, I can write the name in black in other languages, or all the ingredients can be written in other languages. It's not important. In the first column, you have the name of the ingredient, and then you have a column for sugars. You have actually two columns for sugars, one here and one here. Those two, for most of the ingredients, are the same number. Only for ingredients like maltodextrin or dry glucose syrup are different for the reasons that we said in the other video. Then you have fat, then you have proteins, other solids that most of the time is not necessary to insert other solids. Then total solids, water, the pack or the sucrose equivalence, the pod or relative sweetness, the price if you want to calculate the price, the calories for 100 grams. This is very important. All the values are in percentages, and calories is for 100 grams in kilocalories. Then you have milk solid non-fat, lactose, fibers, polyols, saturated fats, salt, and then you have total carbohydrates. In this case, we use the USA notation. So the total carbohydrates are the carbohydrates and the fibers together. So if you're reading a label from Europe, remember that you have to add to the carbohydrates that you read in the label also the fibers. Then we have again of sugars. We also have this stabilizer, for example, if we are dealing with a stabilizer. And if it's a neutral, we can write 100. The price is for 1 kilo. This is the only exception in the database. Everything is in percentages, but calories, which is kilocalories for 100 grams, and price, which is for 1 kilo. If we copied our recipe from the GelatoPassport app, we can add our recipe as a new ingredient here. For example, we simply select paste, and here we have our new ingredient. When we open again, we have to refresh or open a new tab, the GelatoPassport app, and then we will find in the ingredient list our new ingredient.